name's Clay. I make about $57,000 per month. As you see, last 4 weeks here, you can see hover animation. This is legit. This is just from helping local businesses get Google reviews, not anything from this YouTube channel. I actually do this. You can see here's my business right here. You can see all our happy customers leaving us reviews, and you can see this is actually legit. This is our website if you want to check it out. And so the reason why people pay us every single month to help them get more Google reviews is because when somebody does a search for a service in a particular area, you'll get the Google guaranteed ads up here. These people are paying, sometimes $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month to get calls here from Google. But if we get a bunch of reviews, they can rank here organically in what used to be called the map pack. Now it looks like Google's going more towards the AI search route. And look at this AI search. Look, this business has 1.7 thousand reviews. You can see Clearwater Plumbing is the one recommended. You can see then less reviews and less reviews down here. And so if we get them a bunch of reviews, they can organically rank at the top of Google and be recommended without having to pay $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month on Google ads to get the call. You can see another search here, med spa in Rome, Georgia. You can see 110 reviews. Google is recommending this business over the ones with less reviews. And so we can help local businesses turn all their customers into reviews using a system. You can use something like HighLevel. You've probably heard of that software before. And if we can get them a bunch of reviews, they're more than willing to pay us a couple $100 a month to rank up here organically instead of spending $5,000 or $10,000 a month every single month to make sure they keep getting calls from Google. I'm sure you've heard this song and dance before from somebody saying they can make a bunch of money online doing one simple thing, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, whatever it is. I've tried them all. This was the one that I kind of landed on and I actually stuck to for a couple years. It's a simple business model. We just help local businesses get more reviews and rank up there on Google, but it's not easy. The truth is, I did not invent this business. This business has been around for over a decade now, and there's hundreds of other businesses making solid money quietly in the background with the same exact process. I'll show you exactly how it works. I don't have a course to sell you. I do have a paid community. It's like $100 a month, but I'll show you how you can get free access to it later. So if it's valuable, feel free to drop a like and a comment down below. I'll show you exactly how I do it. This isn't a get rich quick scheme, but this is the business model that changed my life. So I'll share exactly how I do it. So how I discovered this business was I had a marketing agency that I was doing a million different things for a million different people. It was an absolute nightmare. I spent all day in delivery, never actually working on growing my own business. And I kept getting shiny object syndrome, hopping from thing to thing to thing. And one of the clients that I had set up, they had a big list of previous customers, and I had seen somewhere on YouTube how you can send out texts and emails to all their customers to get them a whole bunch of reviews. So a client that I was doing websites and SEO for, I knew reviews would help them rank higher. So I uploaded all their previous contacts into a tool called HighLevel, and I was able to text and email all their customers over 4 or 5 weeks to request a review. And what happened was almost every day now, this customer is texting me like, hey, I don't know what you're doing, but keep doing it. They went from like 23 reviews to over 400 reviews on Google. They were getting 5 to 10 reviews a day, and they were flipping out. They went from not ranking on Google well at all to ranking #1 everywhere in their service area just while doing this review reactivation. And so obviously that got my wheels turning. I was like, maybe this is a business model. And as soon as I looked into it, there was plenty of other massive software companies out there just doing this. Since I was struggling with my marketing agency and I was doing websites and ads and content and I was just stuck in delivery all the time, I was talking to my wife about it, and my wife was like, what if you just did the reviews thing? So I messaged a couple people local in my area that I saw didn't have very many reviews, and I said, hey, can I sit down at coffee and tell you about our review system? The very first person I sat down with had 12 reviews, like a 4.0 rating, and they had a list of almost 1,500 previous customers they had worked with. I sold this review system to them where we reach out to all their previous customers for like $1,500 upfront and then $429 a month. It took me about 2 hours to set up, and he got very similar results as the other business and went from like 12 to 250 reviews in just a couple weeks. And that's when I realized I was onto something. It took like 2 hours of work to set up this system that just happened automatically in the background. So every time he was getting new customers, we were requesting reviews. And now instead of me having to work on client accounts 5 to 10 hours a day stuck in delivery, I could set up the system once and then they pay me month after month. And so the tool that I use to power all of this is a tool called HighLevel. You might have heard of it before. You might have seen gurus trying to sell it to you. Like I said, I actually do this. I actually help local businesses get reviews. I make these videos because if you sign up with my link to HighLevel, you get an extended 30-day trial instead of the 14-day free trial, and then I get 40% of whatever you pay HighLevel. It's nothing extra to you, and you'll get access to all my snapshots. You get 2 coaching calls a week with me where I'll hop on and meet you where you are, and you'll get access to hours and hours and hours of training where I show my sales calls, my onboarding calls, and the exact process I've followed to grow my business. There's over 900 people in there running the same exact business model right now. And you can see for $297 a month, you can have unlimited accounts, so it can be incredibly profitable. And if you have no idea what HighLevel is, I like to think about it as some like sandbox that has all these marketing automation tools in there, and you can just kind of pick and choose which ones you want to use, and then you can white label it and put your business logo on it and sell it to other business owners. So HighLevel is kind of a tricky tool to set up for local business owners who are busy, focused on the day-to-day of growing their own business. And so the value that we provide is setting up the system for them, and then it just works in the background, getting them more reviews, responding to the reviews automatically, and posting posting their reviews onto social media. So the actual process of how to get these businesses hundreds of reviews is super simple. You grab their customer list of all their previous customers, you send out texts and emails. We actually send out personalized images, so you can see we can grab a photo of the business owner, a photo of one of their technicians. We can auto-populate the customer's name. So if the name's Clay, we can put their name on the image here, and then you send the link to leave a review. And we can dynamically follow up to make sure they get the best chance of getting that review. I use this tool called Nifty Images. It's like $25 per month, and that's what allows me to do the personalized images to send out via text. So like I said, getting these businesses a bunch of reviews is actually the easy part, because once you set up one client, you kind of get a good idea of how it works, and you can set up hundreds and hundreds after that. The hard part and the reason why people fail is getting businesses to pay you. So we'll talk more about this in the end, but first let me show you how to set people up in HighLevel. So on the $297 plan of HighLevel, you'll get a 30-day free trial too with my link and access to all my snapshots. You actually have these things called sub-accounts, and this is how you separate out all your customers, and you can switch between your customers' accounts. And they have what's called snapshots, where you can take the automations, the templates, all that stuff from one sub-account, and you can just copy and paste it into another sub-account. And so I actually just give you the snapshot that I use for all our clients in my paid community that you can get access to for free. But like I said, the process is simple. All you have to do is click on Launchpad here. You want to get them to connect their Google Business profile. This allows us to get their Google review link. This allows us to respond to their reviews. This also allows us to repurpose all their 5-star reviews onto social media. From there, you'll click on contacts, and then you'll click on import, and you'll drag their CSV file right here. If they don't know where their customer list is, it's probably in their booking software. Let's say they use a CRM for invoicing, or they use a CRM for dispatching all their jobs, or it might be on their lead forms on their back end of their website. So when somebody fills out a quote form on their website, they might have their customer list there. You can find the CSV file from one of those places, download it, and upload it into here. From there, we have the automation tab. This is where you can build out the workflows that'll automatically text and email their customers. And so you can see the first place to do a review reactivation. This is where we add all those customers from that CSV file, and we slowly start to message them. And so I have all this built out for you, but you can see we have an SMS action where we send out this message, and we send out the personalized image right here. And then we also have email actions in here that'll send out an email to request a review. And then it'll wait 2 days to see if they click the link to leave a review or respond. If they haven't, we'll follow up, and we'll keep doing that for a couple days to try and get that review. If it seems like I'm skimming over this stuff, I kind of am, because I know your attention span is short and people are just going to click off the video. But I actually do have an 8-hour video on my YouTube channel totally for free where I go super in depth into literally every single click. If you can just follow along with the clicks, you can set it up for yourself. The next step is to click on marketing here, and then you want to click here and you want to connect their social media accounts. So this will allow you to post their 5-star reviews on their social media. Then you click on new post. You click on post reviews, and now you can select where you want the reviews to come from. So if you connect their Facebook as well, you can post their Facebook reviews. You obviously only want to post 5-star reviews. And this Google source is only going to come up if you've already connected their Google Business profile. Then you want to choose the social media accounts you want to connect to. You want to choose how frequently you want to post. Let's say we want to post every week on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. And then you can choose feed posts, story posts, all that sort of stuff. You click next, and then you can upload a custom image. I normally just grab a photo of their logo with their brand colors, and you can see here, it looks pretty good. You can adjust the colors here. You can adjust the opacity if you want to add like a team photo in the background or something. And then you can adjust the caption, and you can adjust whether you only want to show the initials of the reviewer or the full name, all that sort of stuff. And then you can just go ahead and create the post. And now every time they get a 5-star review, that'll be posted on that Wednesday at 10 a.m. So now we're not only getting them reviews, but we're getting them social media content for their Facebook, Instagram, Google Business profile, all that sort of stuff. And then I'm just going to turn this off here. The next step is you'll go to settings. You'll go to custom values. And this is basically the brain of the snapshot. You want to think about this as when you take this snapshot and you put it into a new client sub-account for your new client, instead of having to go into every single workflow and change the words and change the links and change the business name and all that sort of stuff, we have what's called custom values, which means we can just add the business name, we can add their review link, we can add all that stuff here, and it changes it everywhere else on the sub-account. And so you just put in their Google review link, their logo link, the personalized image that we're going to use from Nifty Images, and a couple other values here, and then you're good to go. Lastly, you want to create what's called a CRM integration. What that means is they use some sort of system where all their customers flow through. When they close out a job, when they bill a new client, they have their customer information somewhere. What we want to do is after they work with a new customer, we want to send that customer information automatically into their sub-account in HighLevel so that we can request the reviews. If you don't have this integration, they'll have to manually add contacts. What we want to do is we want to sell this as an add-on service, not a replacement. We don't want them to change anything that them or their employees have to do in the day-to-day. That'll make it really sticky, so they just keep doing what they're doing and we get them reviews in the background. That way we also don't have to train them on how to use a new software. We don't have to get their employees added in here. It just works like magic in the background. And so let's say if we go to settings here and we click on integrations, you can see if they use something like QuickBooks or Xero or Wave, we can just integrate that right here by clicking connect. Now their customers will automatically start flowing through. But there's a good chance they probably don't use one of these softwares listed in here. And so what I did was I created a bunch of videos on how to integrate almost any CRM into to HighLevel, you can see these videos here. They go into a lot of depth on how to get that done. That is the part that gurus online don't know because they haven't actually done it themselves. After setting up over 1,000 local businesses, helping them get more reviews, the integration is incredibly important to get them to pay you month after month after month. And so the integration might be a little bit overwhelming at first, but once you understand how the process works, it's pretty much rinse and repeat over and over and over again, just with different softwares and different businesses. In this snapshot, I even built out a custom dashboard for you where they can see how many requests have been sent out, how many people are in the review request process, how many people have clicked the link to leave a review, and how many people went through the entire process and didn't leave a review. And they'll also be able to see all that in their reputation tab as well. Now to automatically respond to reviews, you want to click on reputation, click on settings, and then you'll click on reviews AI, make sure this is turned on. So what you're able to do is just for a couple cents per review response, you can respond to this automatically. And so you can create specific agents to respond to the negative reviews or the positive reviews. So we'll create an agent here, let's say Claire Flair. We want Claire Flair to respond to only the 4-star reviews and above. We want her to say, thanks for doing business with us at the bottom of every single footer. And you can kind of give her a prompt and give her a tone here as well. And you save that, and now all the reviews are being responded to. So now for the hard part and the reason people quit. How do you get businesses to pay you? This is the reason everybody fails, because they can't take a little bit of rejection. They can't show up every single day and do the actions that are actually required. But you can see in my community here, people that consistently show up are getting wins. $797 a month client sign, 1,400 pounds in 21 days, review harvest at 50K a month. Obviously, Hayden has been doing this for less than a year. He just hit 15K per month. And it's because he's willing to show up every single day, reach out to people. It's not easy, but it is a very simple business model, and it's so worth it. Hayden's been able to build a $15,000 per month business in less than a year without having to go to college for 8 years, without having to rack up student loans, and without any special tech skills, just stuff you can learn on YouTube. If you're watching this video expecting to make money online to be easy, sorry, brother, it's just not. Like, either grow a pair and do the work required, or go just get a job. And that's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with get a job, but just go get a job and don't want the outside's exceptional returns if you're not willing to put in the effort. And so here's how to get started. So if you have zero proof, you have zero testimonials, you have zero experience in this, I recommend starting locally. So cold messaging locally, and then also start with your warm contacts. When you don't have any trust with anybody, the people that are in your contacts or people that follow you on Instagram and Facebook, they already know, like, and trust you to some extent. And so just send them this script. This is what I sent out to almost all my contacts. Just said, hey, I'm starting this thing where I help local businesses get reviews to help them get more customers online. You can see if they don't have reviews, they're not showing up on Google organically, which means they're having to pay a lot of money to Google up here in the sponsored spot, or they're just not getting any business. And so, hey, we're trying to help people get more reviews so they get more customers on Google. I'm just trying to get some feedback. Do you know any business owners who might be interested in getting this set up for free? And if you're one of those people like, I don't work for free, shut up, dude. Literally shut up. Like, I did this for free because I was just a 20-year-old kid that had no skills and no experience. So like, why would somebody give me an hour of their time if I wasn't making it worth their while? Once you start getting results, once you start getting case studies, once you start getting reviews, then you can start charging for it. But they're going to be doing you more of a favor than you are. And there's an old quote in the consulting world that's like, if you ask for feedback, you'll get money. If you ask for money, you'll get feedback. And so just ask for feedback, get it set up, let them use it for a month, 2 months, 3 months for free, and just ask them to start sending you referrals if they keep it for free. The great part about this service is it only takes a couple hours to set up once, and then it just works like clockwork in the background. And then once you go through your contact list and all your followers, you can start cold messaging people locally. Once again, you still don't have trust, you still don't have proof. So if you can sit down with somebody at a coffee shop, if you have common friends, if you go to the same church, y'all went to the same school, whatever it is, you'll just be able to build trust organically there way more than if you're trying to sell somebody across the world that has no idea who you are. And the script for that is basically go to their Google Business profile, find a bad review by somebody, and use their name. Say, hey, owner's name. I like to text, email, cold call this, whatever I can do to get in touch with the actual business owner. I would say, hey, owner name, I saw that 1-star review from Sally. I went ahead and reported it for you. People are crazy. Hopefully Google takes that down. I'm actually in the area and I built this system to help local businesses get more Google reviews so that they get more customers from Google. Would you be open to grabbing coffee so I can set that up for you for free? Once again, just looking for feedback, super low risk. This is the stage where we're just trying to get case studies and testimonials. I've had over 1,000 people come through my community. All the successful ones are like, I'm so glad that I started for free, or the ones that started charging first are like, I wish I started for free so I can get traction quicker. If you're not willing to work for a month or two for free to get those case studies and those reviews that are worth their weight in gold, then making money online is probably never going to be a reality for you. Most of the work we do every day is just putting work in, and knowing as long as you keep showing up and keep letting people know you exist, eventually in a month, 3 months, 6 months from now, that work will start to pay off. I actually made a super in-depth video on how to get your first 10 SaaS customers on my channel. Go check it out now. And if you're interested in getting started with HighLevel, feel free to sign up my link down below in the description. You'll get access to my paid community for free. I also have a totally free community. It doesn't have all the snapshots. It doesn't have all the goodies in it, but you'll still get 2 coaching calls a month with me. So feel free to sign up with that free link down below in the description. Peace.